Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. This week's subject is on your tax refund. You know, it's hard to believe the number of income tax refunds that the IRS processed. For the year 2020 tax year, it was 128 million refunds. In total, about $355.3 billion in tax payments were returned to taxpayers. The refund may be found money for some and planned on money for others, which is interesting because I, as a financial planner, like to tell people you want to zero it out where you don't owe Uncle Sam any money, Uncle Sam doesn't owe you. But a lot of people count on having that extra money during tax time. So let's see how 2020 taxpayers thought they might use the money. Of the recipients, 27% planned to use the money on existing expenses and 8% planned to splurge. For those who spent the money, one common use was in the form of a vacation. Given the many potential uses of the money, what are some of your options? One possibility is adding to your retirement nest egg. Every bit saved brings you closer to your retirement goals. Consider making IRA contributions. For those eligible to do so, $6,000 contribution may be made for 2022, and if you're age 50 or older, you can add an extra $1,000 for a total of $7,000. The ability to contribute depends on your income level, whether or not you are making other retirement plan contributions, and the type of IRA you choose. One important point to also consider is contributing to your workplace retirement plan. For 2022, the total amount you can put in is $20,500. If you're age 50 or over, it's $27,000. You might want to use the tax refund for everyday expenses, but increase your workplace retirement plan contributions because you can't put money directly into a 401k, but your company can take it out of payroll. Another use for a refund is to increase your child's college fund. Carefully consider which savings vehicle to use. Most people use those 529 plans, and it is a perfect fit in most cases for college planning. Another potential use of the refund is debt reduction. Some may want to pay down their home mortgage. One consideration in doing so is the rate you are paying on the mortgage. Paying it down faster allows you to accumulate home equity quicker. It doesn't change your monthly payment though. If you have an attractive interest rate on the mortgage, it might make more sense to invest and try to get a higher return, but that comes with risk. It might make more sense, by the way, to pay off debt that you have, high interest rate debt. You know those credit cards? Good thing to do with a tax refund, start paying the highest interest rate debt first. Something we alluded to earlier is unanticipated expenses, right? Your tax return may be the perfect time to start building an emergency fund for you. One other use is something not often considered, an investment into yourself. Maybe there are classes or training programs you want to take to further your career. Taking the classes may increase your worth in the workplace and future earning potential, potentially giving you a higher tax refund. Lastly, using your tax return money isn't an all or nothing proposition. Maybe a portion of the refund can be used to save, have a little bit of fun. Maybe a good decision is about examining your choices and making the ones that best fit you and your future.